Here's a simple solution that home cooks are going to love. It's making a recipe card holder out of a clothespin. Start with a wooden clothespin, the spring type, and then get a pair of snips and cut off about a ½ inch of the leg. You could also use a hacksaw or a wood saw, but this works just as well. And then a drill with a 3/16 inch bit, drill a hole through the long leg. What we're going to do is use that hole, put a screw through, and we're going to attach it to the underside of a cabinet. This is where the cabinet face frame hangs down from the upper cabinet. Now we're going to run a screw in there. You make it nice and tight so that the clothespin will stay up hidden behind. And whenever you need it, you swing it down. You can clip your recipe right to it. So that keeps the recipe right in front of you so you can see it, but off the counter so it doesn't get dirty. And it's also great for leaving messages for the family.